Welcome to today's deep dive. I want you to imagine running an emergency room, right? But at 2 in the morning, you just let the phones go straight to voicemail.
Yeah, I mean, you would never do that. It's completely absurd.
Right, you'd never do it. But our mission today is to analyze a specific case study to uncover how immediate availability transforms business growth. Because a Georgia law firm, BBGA, was dealing with midnight personal injury calls exactly like that, and it was costing them.
Costing them big time, yeah.
Yeah.
BBGA is a major player, too. They have over 20 attorneys and, 200 years of combined legal expertise.
Wow, that's huge.
It is. So I have to ask the big question here. Why do so many businesses still ignore the off hours when customers are the most vulnerable?
Yeah, and that vulnerability is exactly what BBGA's marketing director, Allie Jackson, was trying to solve. Because think about it, personal injury victims, they aren't casually browsing from their sofa at noon.
No, absolutely not. They're usually calling directly from the side of the road,
Right.
late at night, maybe on a holiday. They are panicked.
And sending those callers to a generic voicemail completely failed to meet BBGA's high standards.
Yeah, voicemail is basically a dead end in that situation.
Exactly. But they had tried fixing it before, right? I mean, they went through 2 other call centers previously, but they were just catastrophic.
Oh, completely catastrophic. Those outsourced centers had these crazy hold times, misinformed clients, and just really bad routing.
So the usual outsourcing was actually costing them business.
Yeah, it was a disaster.
Yeah.
So realizing that a standard call center just wouldn't work, BBGA turned to a company called Blazeo.
Blazio, okay.
Right? Blazeo provides this whole suite of tools. So they do voice AI, voice call centers, appointment scheduling, and even retainer signing.
Oh, wow, retainer signing too.
Yeah, it's pretty robust.
Hey.
But for BBGA specifically, the real magic happened with the voice service. Because Blazeo's U.S.-based agents act as a seamless 24/7 extension of the law firm.
Okay, so a 24/7 extension. But instead of just taking a basic message, which doesn't really help much, I understand these Blazio agents are trained to capture critical details, right?
Exactly. They actively initiate the legal intake process. So, for example, they specifically ask about the date of the incident to ensure it falls within the statute of limitation.
Right, which is absolutely crucial.
Very crucial. And they get exact locations, and they pull precise name spellings right off the bat.
Wait, really? Because gathering all that complex legal info, I mean, that has to take a lot of time. If the goal is speed to capture an impatient, panicked caller, doesn't that sort of defeat the purpose?
Well, no, because the calls are actually answered in 10 seconds or less.
Oh, 10 seconds. Wow.
Yeah. Now, obviously, capturing all that client information takes longer than 10 seconds, but that rapid pickup time is exactly what prevents the caller from hanging up.
Right, you bypass that whole anxiety phase instantly.
Exactly. Speed creates that immediate trust. You just have to get them on the line.
So by providing this seamless on-brand service, BBGA successfully scaled their intake funnel.
Yeah, they completely stopped losing clients to competitors who just happen to be awake at 3 a.m.
Which is incredible. So the core takeaway here for you listening is that being available 24/7 is a huge boon to improved lead generation.
Right. It's a massive advantage for lead generation. The leads are out there.
They really are.
Yeah.
Which leaves us with a final provocative thought for you to explore on your own.
I really like this one.
Yeah. If simply answering the phone immediately can completely transform a high-stakes legal business, what unseen off-hours bottlenecks are secretly costing your business its most valuable leads?